welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am doing just a regular type of pour. Nothing fancy, no swiping. I'm gonna do flip cups and drag. So I'm gonna do it on a larger canvas, a 16 by 40, and I'm gonna place 3 cups on the canvas, flip the cup, drag them out, and then tilt out. I got a great color combination, so I think this is going to really come out cool. So let's just get down on the canvas and get started. Be right back. All right, so what I got today is a 16 by 40, going pretty long with this canvas today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 flip cups. I'm going to do 2 on in the end and 1 in the middle. I'm going to flip them and drag them, flip them and drag and flip and drag. Going to just tilt and see what kind of composition we come up with. I'm going to need, let's see here, about 24 ounces of paint, maybe not quite that much. What I'll do is I've got 16-ounce cups and I'll put about 8 ounces in each one. All right, let's start filling my cups. I'll tell you the colors as I go. All my paints are mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium paint and Floetrol. There's no water in these. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of gold in each cup. All right. Dioxazine purple. Little titanium white. Some Azo Orange. Some Pyrole Red. Just a little bit of gold. Deco Art Sapphire. I'm going to come back in the colors one more time. Have you guys had a chance to go check out the Fluid Art Experience website? It's going to be in Dallas on September 27th. I'll be teaching 2 classes. Be teaching my disrupted open cup pour. And I'm going to be teaching a chaos ribbon or chaos ring pour swipe using Australian Floetrol as my mixed with Amsterdam white or black as cell activator. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You should definitely come join us. All right, last color. Tell you what I'm gonna do first. Let's pour some puddles of gold here and here. We'll do that. All right, so let's flip these cups into the puddles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now, what I'm gonna do is lay out some white here. I'm also gonna lay out some gold. Now the reason I'm doing that, I want to get my canvas wet. So I've got some paint down, and I'm also going to be dragging these cups along, so that's going to add to the paint. There has been some serious troll action in my comments. Everybody's really upset that I have too much paint that I'm wasting on my table. Folks, I scrape every bit of my paint off of the table and I reuse it. I do not throw it away. So do not come at me in my comments over this, because you will get blocked. I'm all for taking constructive criticism, but you just are not going to come to my page. And so, I mean, somebody made a fat reference. I don't know, maybe it was a typo, but who are you calling fat? It's just so stupid. All right. Got on my soapbox and now I'm off. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this one this way. 1, 2, 3. Just kind of lift and drag. That was kind of a terrible drag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this through here. Do this one with this one. And with this one. All right. Same thing with this. Just gonna bring it on down. Bring it on down. Just gonna scrape all the paint out on the edge here. Use that for flow extender. Now what I want to do is I want to kind of break up a little bit of the white. I want to bring some of this color in. I don't want to end up with big blocks of white. Same thing with this blue over here. There we go. Torch. I'm not going to torch heavily because I don't want to get any flocculation. All right, now we can start tilting. Let's go down this way. keep you guys in here, but it's very, very hard. All right, I'm just gonna clean up my corners and edges. I got a couple a little bit over here that's just not quite covered yet. Fix that up, and then I will bring you guys in. Okay guys, this is the piece. So it's gonna get hung on the vertical, but it's just gonna be too hard to get you wet results putting it in the vertical position. So, but bring you here close. Look at the lines and the details that come through, just gorgeous. All right, can't wait for this to dry. Let's see how it goes. Be right back. Okay guys, here we are with the dried result. This is so cool. I love the composition. Got some really cool cells within cells. Got some great direction on the lines. Just fantastic. All right, here is the dried result of that previous piece I did last week. All right, guys, that is it. So that is the dried piece. It dried really well. I tell you, I'm loving the streaks. That's what happened from using that cup, the lip of the cup, and kind of dragging the paint through, trying to break up blocks of color. But I love the blue that goes through here. But the rest of the colors, the cells, just really, really fantastic. I love this a lot. So this will get some gloss varnish, not resin, and go up on my website. So thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you next week. Have a great rest of the weekend. Bye-bye.